is so horrifying and worrisome. The recent NEET 2024 results, which came out on June 4th, started a wave of protest in the country. There were 24 lakh students who were appearing for the exam, out of which 67 students came up with the perfect score of 720 out of 720. But this is not the only thing, and you are not going to believe what more is there. But before we move further, I am Vaidehi. This is my channel Study with Me, and this is the first episode of the Midlife Crisis. It is always possible for students to be amazingly brilliant and intelligent, but at the same time, 67 students to be doing that is something that can raise suspicion. Among the various anomalies and the various rumors that were reported, there was some that caught the eye, which was students getting marks around 718 and 719, which is technically not possible, because for every right answer you get 4 marks and for every wrong answer you get -5. So if a student leaves a question, they are bound to get 716 marks, and if they get a wrong question, then they are bound to get 715 marks. So 718 and 19 were out of the equation. NTA came up and they justified this by saying that these were grace marks which were given to the students, and there were 2 reasons that they gave. One was time compensation and other was a wrong information provided in the textbook. As the people of this nation were settling down with the strange answer that NTA gave them regarding the grace marks, there were rumors about the NEET paper leak. This was speculated because of a center in Haryana from which 4 to 5 toppers emerged, which is kind of strange. In response to which, the NEET director denied any compromise on the integrity of exams. They even assured that the problem was limited to 6 centers and that inspection will be taken for the same. But in the meantime, many students had filled out RTIs against NTA and demanding a CBI probe on the same. In response to all the protests, NTA came up with a solution that they will be setting up a committee of 4 members who will be re-evaluating and reassessing the results of all the 1500 to 1600 students who were granted grace marks. Students, teachers and parents demanding transparency for a competitive exam like NEET is nothing but the bare minimum, and NTA should actually come up, step up and take some responsibility. There are students who dedicate years of their lives to get good marks and to get into a good government college. And for a profession as noble as that of medicine, this should not be the state of our country. Most recent news update includes the petition to the Supreme Court in which NTA justified that it will be re-evaluating the answers of those 1600 students, and if there was to be a retest, it will be of those students who were awarded grace marks. But isn't this unfair to the rest of the students who are not only the part of the confusion, anger and the frustration, but are also being deprived of the second chance to be able to do better? And to give a particular section of students another try at the exam is definitely not the best solution. I will be doing my best to get all the latest updates to you, and for that please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the updates and all on the new videos. Bye.